Alright, so LA, nandito tayo ngayon sa Moro Lorenzo Gym. Ano yung mga pinaka-memorable moments mo dito as an Ateneo Blue Eagle in the UAAP?
Every day is memorable talaga sa akin dito. When yung magpa-practice kami everyday, very memorable sa akin yun yung college days ko. So, basta every time may break time ako, nandito ako. So, actually, namimiss ko nga eh.
How did you handle that pressure na every time people from Ateneo expect you to win every ball game or win a title?
Actually, when I entered Ateneo, I didn't expect na parang I'll be the number one or first point guard. Kasi that time, nandun pa sina Paul Tanchi, may Andrew Cruz. Hindi ko ina-expect na ganun yung kailangan ng Ateneo talaga as in a point guard na natutulong sa team nila.
And that was the year that we lost Larry Fonacher to ACL injury. LA stepped up his game. In fact, he hit a lot of clutch shots for us during that year.
Nakita ko na talaga yung pressure pala dito talaga sa UAAP at Ateneo basketball, medyo ibang level.
He was only 16 years old but he was able to dominate the game right off the bat.
I had confidence in our team because Ellie was a real leader. He could take over a game whenever he wanted to.
Ako, kumpiyansa ako pagkasama ko siya kasi alam ko na kaya niya kaming dalhin.
So what would be memorable for me is every day in practice, you'd see those flashes of brilliance.
He was my best player on the team. He was a player who really led us in scoring, led us in assists. He was a very good rebounder. He was a player we gave the ball to at the end game to make the big plays for us.
Naka 4 coaches ako, di ba? Imagine the experience na nakuha ko sa bawat isa. I have to parang understand it right away kasi ako dapat ang una makakuha ng mga sistema nila kasi I'm the leader inside the court. Na parang throughout the years na iba-iba akong coach pero yeah, I know na how to handle this. So now it's easier. I think yun din yun na unti-unti ko na build up sa Ateneo.
Don't you feel no shame? Oh, don't you worry.
What can you say is the most memorable moment as a student here in Ateneo?
Nakakahiyaman pero after the first year, after the first sem of my first year, so after the UAAP, diba? Kasi second sem wala na. I was suspended for playing basketball. The first time in my life na hindi ako humawak ng bola. Nagkaroon ako ng problem sa grades. They gave me all the tutors, everything para lang matulungan ako. Kasi I was about to give up. That's it. Parang I was really crying. Nakita ko talaga yung support ng Ateneo sa akin and then support ng mga friends and everything, teammates. Because of that, nakagraduate ako ng Ateneo.